Okay, we have an IKEGAI engine lathe. Model A20, 20-inch swing, 60-inch centers, serial number 98401. Machine was new in 1961. We're gonna run her.
This is low range.
Low range. Machine has from 18 to 2,000 RPM, inch and metric threading.
25 RPM.
Right now we're at 25. Forward and reverse.
First. Medium.
Machine was built in Japan.
130.
130, it's very quiet. Machine also has a unique feature. It has a telescopic cover for both the lead screw and the feed shaft. It has a new all 2-axis digital readout. It's going into the high range. Very quiet.
560.
560 RPM. All right. Right now we are feeding longitudinally. I don't know if you can see that on the DRO. This is the axis. Okay. Now we are feeding the X, which is the cross. And now we're threading. You engage the half nut. And you can also see that it reads on the digital readout. All right. And reverse again. You have a 2-speed tailstock as well. That's the fine feed. And that's the rapid. Okay. Tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper, almost 6 inches of travel. You have a hardened ground bed. And hey, thank you for watching our video.